New month, new hike. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Moses and this is a Zigzagze with me.
There are no animals here.
Today I'm taking you on a hike that blew my mind. We are at Phaladingwe Hiking Trail in Hartbeespoort. We are hiking through these beautiful landscapes along this river with a beach.
Yes, at the beach. Phaladingwe in Northwest.
Yes.
Phaladingwe is one of Northwest's hidden gems and I'm excited to share this adventure with you. So lace up your boots and let's go on a zigzags.
And we're gonna take longer, relax. Cause Pella, like Mudito, was just in and out.
Yeah.
We did in and out and then that's it. So I don't. Yo, if we were staying there, it was gonna be lovely. Cause you don't share your pace. Normally people, you don't record your runs. Why? Don't you have Strava?
New year, new hike. Welcome to yet another amazing hike in Hartbeespoort. Today we are hiking the Phaladingwe Hiking Trail, and as you can tell from the chill in everyone's voice, this is just the beginning of the hike.
It helps you when you run marathons, you know.
Come along as we hike this amazing trail.
Hiking yet, we are still walking. Yeah, we are still walking. How about the hike already started? It's 7.4. No, you know what? This year, we are doing hikes that are above 5 only. The only time we'll do a hike.
This was me motivating my fellow hikists and preparing them for the hikes that are yet to come.
You want to try them?
I do not know.
People ate them back in the day.
Yeah, but when your system is not.
Oh, there's a lookout point. Why is the lookout point having a sign of a crocodile there? Wait, is this a crocodile or a lizard? Oh guys, it's not a crocodile. It's fine. Come through. Yeah, there is water. There's a millipede there. Millipede there. Are you scared of it? Do you guys know a millipede, all of you? Have you seen it in real life? Yeah, I show along. Yeah. Have you seen it in real life? Do you, okay.
The beginning of this trail, a kilometer or so in, is really flat, so it's just a walk.
Oh, so someone else must suffer. Yes.
Yeah, I really know. I have our water. What the? Chill. Relax.
Chilling.
No worries. No worries. No heavy stuff.
It has overgrown grass, so I do recommend that you come here wearing long pants, not shorts. As you can see, the grass is all over the trail.
I'm like, guys, we're not gonna catch up. Because we are going there, you see there. Looks like a trail, we are going there. Yeah. Like we see it now, city. Oh.
It looks like a bungee jumping site. But it's not. It looks like it, but I don't think it is.
Nah, it's not.
It's not.
One for that before I had the subscription, yeah. Google Photos. Yeah. Because I have that subscription at Google Photos with Gemini AI.
Yeah, no, this trail is a jungle. They really need to cut this grass. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also share it with your friends.
Rocks. Jabu CTM. Oh, it's cement basically. Yeah, this one's real rock. There are no animals here. We are the animals.
There's a part of this trail along the riverbank that looks like a beach. Although it's dirty, really dirty, but we'll take it.
But the water does not smell nice. Ones where you need a staff, definitely you need the staff. Otherwise, how shit. Ujawuli serious, ukarikuwa Abraham. It looks like a bamboo. That one you Lord cover, that one. Entry authorized, come in. Yes.
This is the beach. I didn't go closer to the water because the water looks dirty and it looks like a Lacoste could just come out of it.
Yes, at the Phaladingwe in Northwest.
Yes, it's just a matter of changing. They are going to change into parking bikinis,
Yes.
and then we're going to go swim in the beach. We just rested. Wow, when we just rested. Like we were just in the beach there. Rest.
Here is more overgrown grass.
You. There's one that when I was going home. when you are trying to exit a packaging. Yes, they have to cut these things. Ah, no, don't worry. We are not halfway yet. We are not. Seems flat. Catching up to those guys that we found there by there. We must show them that we are fast and strong.
They say hiking is about conquering yourself, not the mountains. And the part where we're supposed to conquer ourselves is about to begin.
So I'm wondering like what the hell is going on. You are dying. We'll find a shade and rest.
Who's not there? We are all there.
I think this is also compounded by the sun.
Yes.
The heat is making it worse. I know whenever I drink, if it's hot that day, it's harder to do it.
Oh wow, it looks like milk. You are sweating milk. Wow.
Rest.
After that much needed rest, it's just the last stretch back to the beginning. On this part of the hike, you can see the beautiful flowers on the trail, and you can also see the Nexa power plant.
The light is better this side, yes. It's for vitality. We arrived in what? Yeah, they just arrived.
We made it in one piece, and now it's time to rest and eat.
Fried fat, that is chipsy. No, what? Those places are always dirty, like the surrounding is always dirty. And like guys,
We are now sharing conversation over meals under this shade. While we do that, remember to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends, and also watch the other videos in the other playlists. let's hear how the hike was to my fellow co-hikists.
What's the question? It is nice, a bit challenging, but I'd do it again.
You'll do it again.
Given a chance, yeah. I'd do it again.
Given a chance, you'll do it again.
Yeah,
So because
or even a more challenging one.
because I have hike plans, are you saying you are coming? Are you committing to coming? Because I'm giving you a chance. The chance is given.
Okay, count me in on the next one. The hike was very hard. Very, very hard. It was not easy.
I think you should say that it's your first hike. That's why.
It is my first time. I don't understand why the last part has to go up the I don't know if this is a characteristic of hikes in general, but it was nice.
Given,
Not a more challenging.
Not a more challenging one.
Not yet.
Come and tell us how the hike was.
My God, this is in life.
Yes.
You get to a place, you don't know what's happening, my guy.
Yes.
So when you get there, you're anticipating great things. And I anticipated to be great, and it was great. But we saw some flames now and then going up and down, some slates and it made me fall. And we were guessing for air, but by the grace of God, we made it.
Survived.
We survived. I think we can try it again with a 15 kilometer.
Awesome. 15.
I forgot to say one thing.
Yes.
I saw a beach.
You saw a beach.
So I'd come back again for the beach.
Oh. No, we're not coming back here again, though.
But there's a beach, yeah.
But we're not
I
coming
want the
back here. No, but we're not coming back again here. No. How was the hike?
I'm just glad that
You are just glad that you finished. Alive in one piece. What was challenging? I feel like you're doing a different trail than us. Slippery rocks. Where was this?
What's the name of that dog?
With the earth and stuff, who named it?
Who's that guy?
Lebo. Oh. How was the hike?
Week.
Oh.
It was great. Fantastic. Would I do it again? Yes. Yeah. 10 out of 10. Yeah, they need to clear the trail. I also feel that it makes it very uncomfortable having to back and dive.
She was very skillful about it.
She was maneuvering. I wonder what those moves are. I hope to see those moves, yes. Not bad as in good. Okay. Yeah, I want to make sure. I want to. Yeah, no, she was in front, so she knows the trail properly. Would you do it again? Longer or shorter? No, but you were cruising there. You were cruising. Oh, you also want the 10K again. Why is he getting 10K? I want it.
Somewhere at 5.
Let's go.
Vincent, how was it? Proper. Oh, let me get this one. Okay, it's a cue for us to go.
Yes, the wind chased us from Phaladingwe. Remember to check out the next adventure, which is at Overgrown Hiking Trail, also in Hartbeespoort.
Yeah, no, this hike is the one. This is the one.
Speaking on a hike, hello?
Speaking on a hike, elevated. I am recording you to show you where, at what point you are speaking from. You are speaking from a high ground.
Tata moso!